guys, I'm Sheila Johnson with Keller Williams, and today I'm bringing you my newest luxury listing in Shell Knob, Missouri. This house was originally built in 1903 and sits on just under 43 acres. In 2019, the house was fully renovated and a beautiful addition that aesthetically matches the facade was added, along with an oversized 3-car garage. This home could be your off-grid property, it could be a hobby farm. You could do so many things with this home. It's beautiful. Let me give you a tour. As you enter the home, you will notice the old charm of yesterday, beautiful stone fireplace, but yet with the convenience of today, where you have the gas. Throughout this property, you will see that the old and the new have been lovingly combined for such a unique property. This property is only half a mile from Table Rock Lake in Shell Knob, and it sits on just under 43 acres. So call me today and we'll see about making this property yours.